Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the Dyson Spot+Scrub AI Robot Vacuum. You may have seen the launch event where Dyson introduced its next generation of smart machines, claiming this robot can eliminate hidden stains using advanced AI and deliver more hygienic cleaning. It's part of Dyson's big push into robotics and smart floor care, and it definitely comes with a premium price tag. But the real question is this high-tech robot actually worth it, or is it just expensive hype? Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. So, let's first talk about what this robot is supposed to do. Dyson is clearly trying to fix the reputation of its earlier 360 VizNav robot vacuum from 2023, which received mixed reactions. With the Spot+Scrub AI model, Dyson seems serious about competing in the premium robot vacuum market. The price is around £1,050 in the UK and similar pricing in Europe, so this is definitely in the high-end category. Now, feature-wise, this robot combines vacuuming and mopping in one device. That's already an improvement over some of Dyson's earlier robotic attempts. It comes with a roller-style mop and an onboard water tank. The base station is fully automatic. It charges the robot, empties the dustbin, washes and dries the mop, refills water, and even uses warm water to keep things hygienic. The dust collection system is bagless and uses Dyson's cyclone technology, which is rare in robot vacuums. That means no need to keep buying disposable dust bags. One of the biggest selling points is its AI-powered stain detection. Dyson claims it can recognize around 190 to 200 different objects and substances. It uses a camera and sensors to identify stains and decide how many cleaning passes are needed. If it finds a tough spot, it will repeatedly clean it until it's gone. The suction power is claimed to go up to 18,000 PA, which is very strong for a robot vacuum. It also automatically boosts suction on carpets and lifts the mop to avoid wetting them. Navigation is handled by dual-line LiDAR combined with a camera system. It builds maps in real time and avoids obstacles intelligently. Battery life is said to last up to around 200 minutes depending on your home size. The base station can hold weeks, even up to 100 days of debris before you need to empty it. Design-wise, it looks premium. You get that classic transparent Dyson dustbin, a modern aesthetic, and no need for dust bags. On paper, this sounds like one of the most advanced robot vacuums on the market. But now let's talk about the concerns. First, for a product over £1,000, you expect perfection. However, early impressions suggest the app experience is disappointing for such a premium brand. There are mapping issues. In some cases, the robot failed to detect certain doorways. Editing the map can be difficult. After cleaning, orange traffic cone icons appear, but they're not labeled, not clickable, and not very helpful. Some rooms even share identical icons, which creates confusion when selecting areas to clean. For this price range, these kinds of software problems feel unacceptable. Another small but important detail is that the mopping detergent is not included. You have to buy it separately for around £19.99. At this price, many people would expect it to be included in the box. Now, here's something important to consider. When we look at customer feedback about Dyson as a company on platforms like Trustpilot, there are a lot of negative reviews. Many customers complain about poor customer service, long wait times for replacement parts, battery issues, machines stopping after short usage, products arriving faulty, and delays in refunds. Some even say their expensive Dyson products stopped working properly within a year. Now, to be fair, these reviews are about different Dyson products like stick vacuums and hair dryers, not specifically the Spot+Scrub AI Robot Vacuum, but they do raise concerns about after-sales support. When you're spending over £1,000 on a robot vacuum, customer service and spare parts availability really matter. If something goes wrong, you want fast and reliable support. As for early performance impressions of the robot itself, navigation seems improved compared to the older model. Cleaning appears smart and efficient, and the AI dirt detection and scrubbing feature sounds promising. However, mopping performance still needs long-term testing. It's one thing to remove light stains during demos, and another thing to deal with real-life messes over months of use. So, is it legit or a scam? Based on the information available, this doesn't look like a scam. Dyson is a well-known global brand with real products and real technology. The features are impressive and technically advanced. However, the big question is value for money. At this price, expectations are extremely high. Software bugs, app frustrations, and potential customer service issues could seriously affect the overall experience. If you're someone who wants the latest AI cleaning technology, hates disposable dust bags, and loves Dyson's design and engineering, this might be worth considering. But if you're expecting flawless performance and perfect support at this price point, you may want to wait for more long-term reviews or software improvements. At the end of the day, it's not about whether it's real, it's about whether it's worth it for you. Always compare features, check updated user reviews, and consider the company's service reputation before investing in such an expensive smart device. Let me know in the comments, would you spend over £1,000 on a robot vacuum? And if you've used a Dyson product before, how was your experience?